Hi investors and traders, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Nifty, Bank Nifty and some stocks that are on my radar. Also, I want you to all go to my channel and check what we do in the live trading. If you listen to today's 27 December's live trading, we gave stocks like Jindal Steel, JSW Steel in the live market. And if you are present on my Telegram channel, early morning I have given a stock name National Aluminium above 75.2. Just have a look how National Aluminium has given a beautiful breakout, right? In fact, whatever stocks we gave, they were in fact the top gainers. See how this just went up in a straight line. We gave Jindal Steel, look at how beautifully it moved. We gave JSW Steel, that's again was a very, very strong up move. So today's stocks were Jindal Steel, National Aluminium, JSW Steel, and IBUL Housing. These were the stocks that I have given early morning in the trade. And in fact, अगर आप मेरी recording सुनेंगे, मैंने in fact इसका call option दिया था. जिंदल स्टील का कॉल ऑप्शन दिया था एंड जीएसडब्ल्यू का कॉल ऑप्शन दिया था. जिंदल स्टील का कॉल ऑप्शन लाइव ट्रेडिंग में दिया था. ये हमारे प्रीमियम मेंबर्स के लिए होता है, बट जो लोग लाइव ज्वाइन करते हैं, जस्ट टू सो दैट दे कैन मेक बेनिफिट, आई गिव इट टू देम एज वेल. सो जिंदल स्टील का हमने एक कॉल ऑप्शन दिया था 23 पे बाय के लिए दिया था, और आई थिंक 35 ऐसे कुछ स्टॉक गया है ऊपर. So Jindal Steel option made a high of 43, and whereas JSW Steel call option made a high of 20.8, from 10 rupee to 20 rupees. Almost your money has been doubled. Similarly, in Jindal Steel also the money was doubled. So that is the kind of trade we did today. And we have also given a call option of Dixon, which made a high of 177. So these were the three calls that I have given, but GSW Steel and Jindal Steel were also given in the live market. So do join me for the live trading every single day from 10 to 11, right? I'm not saying that we have some kind of a benefit, but this is for your benefit. And please invite all the traders and your friends who are losing money in the stock market. एनीवे आज की बात करते हैं, और आज हम बात करते हैं, और उससे भी पहले एक और स्टॉक मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. दो स्टॉक्स रादर मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. एक स्टॉक मैंने दिया था फैक्ट फर्टिलाइजर एंड chemical FACT, fertilizers and chemicals. I gave a buy at 184, and within few days our entry was over here on 13th of December. From 184 this made a high of 315. Another stock that I have given recently was Usha Martin. एंड उषा मार्टिन जो हमने बाय दिया था वो कुछ दिया था 168 के आसपास, 162 के आसपास, 162 163 के आसपास, and it made a high of 180 today. Almost like 10% return in just 2 days. I'm sure you all have made money in Nectar and Nectar Life Sciences. This I gave when market was going down. This stock was going up and up. And the other stock that I've given was Morpen. That was also a recent stock that I had given. So from here, 34.5 to it made a high of about 48.5. And that to be in just 2 trading sessions. So that's the power with which we really search and give you the stocks to trade. Now let's go and talk about Bank Nifty and Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty. I want to explain you it little in more detail. So for your convenience, I have drawn this channel. This channel was broken on 15th of December. Okay, the market started sliding down. And now if I just draw a support line, if you notice, this is a very strong support line. Support line, which trend line you can say, which market has been honoring, right? Which market has been honoring all this while. So here is how it looks like. Now this trend has been broken, like this downward trend has been broken today by Bank Nifty. So that's a little promising thing, what I can see from the market. What hurdles does this have? So first biggest hurdle that I can see from the graph is 43,375. ये एक बड़ा हर्डल जो है मुझे दिखाई देता है. अगर ये बैरियर क्रॉस होगा तो बैंक निफ्टी ऊपर जा सकता है। अब इस हर्डल को हम क्या करते हैं कि बैंक निफ्टी के ऑप्शन चेन से भी देखते हैं कि क्या चल रहा है वहां पे। अगर यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि आज के दिन सबसे ज्यादा कॉल राइटिंग कहाँ हुई है, एक तो 42,900 पे कॉल राइटिंग हुई है और दूसरी कॉल राइटिंग हुई है 43,000 पे। ये दो जगह कॉल राइटिंग काफी जबरदस्त, 43,100 पे कॉल राइटिंग हुई है। ये दो जगह पे काफी ज्यादा कॉल राइटिंग हुई है और उसी तरह सपोर्ट जो एक बनाया गया है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट बनाया गया है, वो बनाया गया 42,500 पे। तो देख के ये लगता है कि इस एक्सपायरी में, मतलब दिसंबर एंड की एक्सपायरी में, जो बैंक निफ्टी है वो 42,500 के नीचे शायद ना जाए। अच्छा, इसके बाद मैं आप लोगों से ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि आर यू रेडी टू गो इनटू ईयर 2023 with a strong resolve? I mean, have you planned what your financial journey will be in the upcoming year? आपको बहुत केयरफुली अपनी डेस्टिनी को चेंज करने के लिए डिटर्मिनेशन करना पड़ेगा, तभी आप चेंज करने पाओगे। एंड वी आर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच विल बी जस्ट अनफोल्डिंग very recently. I mean, next couple of weeks or month of January will be just big disclosures that we will be doing, a lot of things that we have decided for you all. Anyway, so बैंक निफ्टी को सपोर्ट लगता हुआ दिख रहा है 42,500 पे, और रेजिस्टेंस लगता हुआ जो एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस बना है वो 43,000 पे और फिर 43,500 पे। ये दो रेजिस्टेंसेस लग रहे हैं। इसके बाद बात करते हैं निफ्टी में क्या हुआ है आज। निफ्टी को भी एक बार देख लेते हैं और फिर उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे जो स्टॉक्स मेरे रडार पे है। सो निफ्टी को अगर हम देखते हैं तो निफ्टी ने अपना चैनल, अभी जो डाउनवर्ड चैनल है, उसको मेरे ख्याल से भी ब्रेक नहीं दिया है। अगर मैं इस सबको हटा दूं, क्योंकि a lot of lines are existing and probably you will be disturbed to see them, like I mean you may not be able to understand, but these are all important levels that I have marked. But anyway, let me just reduce the number of lines. So if I just see what is happening to the downtrend, so this is how the downtrend is. This is how Nifty is having a downtrend, and Nifty is also having another resistance level here. There's another channel that you can see I have drawn within the main channel of Nifty. So Nifty ने आज inside channels it has taken a support. Now अगर Nifty कल एक closing देती है 18,330 के ऊपर, that's going to be a very positive closing, and उसके बाद Nifty can go up to 18,440. So as of now, what we look into when we are looking into the Nifty, it has not broken the channel as strongly as Bank Nifty has broken, but Nifty is also kind of in uptrend. If I look into the narrow channel, then kind of a breakout has happened, but going above, closing above 18,350 is going to be a very strong indication that Nifty is also planning to be strongly in the upward direction. Having said that, now I have some stocks on my radar. So the first stock that I'm looking at is Titan. Now, ना तो ये मेरी buy recommendation है, ना ये मेरी sell recommendation है. I'm just sharing my list of stocks, right? I don't know, you want to keep on radar, you don't want to keep on radar. I'm not giving a buy or sell, but I'm just telling you the stock is accumulating for a long period of time. In fact, जब last 3 दिन market नीचे गया है, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, this stock didn't fall as much as it could have fallen. So above 2527, there can be a buying opportunity in Titan. Another stock that I have on my radar is Asian Paints. Asian Paints, and the scenario is almost similar. The stock has been consolidating. Like see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days it consolidated. Remained within a channel. Remained within a channel. It's not breaking the low. It's not breaking the high. So that means there is something cooking up in the stock and going above today's high, which is 3131. We can expect some kind of a move in the upward direction. So that is my second stock, which is Asian Paints. इसी तरह का तीसरा stock है Infosys. Infosys is also, kind of consolidating for many days at the lower levels. This is a support zone from where Infi has taken a support, and it looks to be here. It looks to be range bound. Going above today's high, this candle's high can lead it to a further up move in this particular stock, which is Infi. So teen stock almost in the similar situation: Titan, Asian Paints, and Infi. Another stock that I have on my radar is UTI AMC. ये तीनों FNO के स्टॉक थे, और जो स्टॉक मैं अब आपसे बात कर रही हूँ वो है कैश का स्टॉक. UTI AMC, Asset Management Company. And this is how the stock looks like. The volumes have appeared on the 19th of December. This was the day when the volume appeared. And after that, volumes have not, like the price has not crossed this high. If this high and the price is shifting in the upper direction, crossing this barrier is extremely important, which is 915. After 915, one can expect a target of 950 and 1000. So 1000 is going to be the immediate target. After 1000, a target of 11,050 and 1100 can also be expected. So that is a stock, cash stock, which is on my radar, which is UTI AMC. तीन FNO के stocks जो मैंने आपको बोले हैं, Titan, Asian Paints and Infi. ये तीनों bottomed out stocks हैं. मार्केट गिरा तो ये तीनों नहीं गिरे, और अब एक कंसोलिडेट कर रहे हैं ताकि एक अपवर्ड जर्नी को शुरुआत कर सके. और जहां तक UTI AMC की बात है, ये एक इसका बहुत बढ़िया प्राइस स्ट्रक्चर बन रहा है. अबव 915 there can be a very very good buying opportunity. तो ये तीनों चारों स्टॉक अपने रडार पे रखिए और लाइव में ज्वाइन करिए, बिकॉज लाइव मार्केट में डायनामिक्स कंप्लीटली चेंज हो जाते हैं. एंड जस्ट वंस अगेन, मैं आपको ना कोई अपना इंडिकेटर बेचना चाहती हूँ, ना कुछ बता कि आप खरीदो नहीं खरीदो. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू डू दैट, बट आपको मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि मैंने जिंदल स्टील क्यों दिया था, so that you can all understand. So this is Jindal Steel, right? I want to show you by doing the action replay. So what happens, when the market is live, the values change. Okay, the levels change. So if I see yesterday, right? Yesterday was 26th of December, 240. It was around. This is how. Let me just show to you what happens here. So market, this is Jindal Steel going range bound. Let's see how it opens today. So this is how it opened today. यहाँ पे खुला है, right? इसने compulsory buy के ऊपर opening दी है. And I have re-entered, I have given a re-entry. I have given an entry yesterday only at 536. Today it gave a good breakout and above 550. This second level out here, because I wanted a big move. So 550 to 556, I knew for sure will come. So now let's see what happens when I gave a buy at 550. The stock moved a little bit up and down, and now the 550 has to be broken. This 550 broken will lead it up into the huge movement. Again, now the levels have modified. यहाँ से फिर से levels modify हुए हैं. 550 से 558 कंपल्सरी बाय फिर से आ गया. अब यहाँ पे अगर किसी ने नहीं खरीदा है तो 558 के ऊपर खरीद सकता है. फिर अगर 558 के बाद फर्स्ट लेवल और सेकंड लेवल जरूर हिट होना चाहिए, तो 568, और फिर ये नेक्स्ट लेवल है 573 का. So let's see whether it hits the second level or not. So these are all automated levels which we have done some calculations. We applied Fibonacci, we applied various other things, and then we have got these indicators. So we just want to see whether our levels out here hit or not. So see here, this is how market, this particular stock hit the high of, यहाँ पे आप देखोगे अभी still it's going on, it's still going on. It hit this target, almost this target of 578.5. like हमारा target क्या था 578.95. It just went till about 578.6. what other accuracy you want? Similarly, I've given national aluminum in the morning from the same indicator. So I'm not selling. Please don't be under the impression that you need to buy this. No, you don't need to buy it. You don't need to learn. You follow, you don't need to do anything. I will do research. I will give you the trades. Don't think we are here to sell you products, right? That's not our intention. Our intention is very clear that we want people to make money. And those who are trollers, keep doing your work. Good job. Don't make money, but you can enjoy trolling me. I'm not worried. Those who are making money can make money. Those who want to troll, keep doing your work. So see here, let me just show you. So the stock opened above compulsory buy, right? यहाँ पे खुला है. So I was looking at some kind of resistance here. 25 point इस जगह पे 25 point मतलब first candle के high पे 75.35. This is where I gave a buy. The moment first candle was broken, I gave a buy. You can check it over here at 75.2. First 5 minutes, because why? What was the reason? Again, ये compulsory buy पे खुला है, right? तो मुझे खरीदना ही खरीदना है. मेरा पहला टारगेट रहेगा 76.27 का. आप देखो इसने 76.27 का किया है, फिर 78 तक का टारगेट किया, फिर इनफैक्ट it had gone up. I don't know whether it reached 80 or not. I'll just see. So 77 का टारगेट हिट हुआ, 78 का टारगेट हिट होगा, and 79 तक जाएगा. Somewhere I think it goes quite up, if I understand. So wait for a second, because right now we are at about 12:30, 12:40. Market is little range bound, but then again a spike will come and it's going to now see again. The levels have modified by themselves. And now we again have a buy above 79.5. Right? So these are all automated levels. अपने आप appear होंगे जब हमको buying की opportunity मिलेगी. So let's see कहाँ तक जाते हैं हमारे targets. 79.5 के ऊपर compulsory buy है, और compulsory buy हमको कहाँ तक लेके जाएगा? 80.77 तक. So the stock has given 79.4 so far. Yeah, so 79.4 so far. अगर कल हमें 79.6 के ऊपर बाय मिलती है तो हम ले सकते हैं फॉर अ बहुत छोटा सा टारगेट 1 पॉइंट का रहेगा, और उसके बाद अगर ये लेवल क्रॉस हो जाएंगे तो नेक्स्ट लेवल हमको मिलेगा. So these were the two stocks that I wanted to show you. You can check the rest of it, but of course this is our proprietary indicator. This is not publicly available, and this is a proprietary indicator which is developed by stockpro team. And yeah, so you can see the accuracy that it gives. I can show you what happened in Bank Nifty also quickly, and people can make huge amount of money using this indicator. So see here, this has given me a buy at compulsory buy level. So how the stock opened, how Bank Nifty opened here, it gave me that if it goes below, sell. Here we had a sell, it came down to the compulsory buy. See here, this compulsory buy goes up to the first level, comes down, again a compulsory buy, and then it goes like that. So this compulsory buy is actually a very, very strong level. Here all the institutions are active. So look at how beautifully one could have traded in Bank Nifty. So with this, I'll be signing off. Stay tuned, remain connected. Do join me for live trading from 10 to 11 every single day, and be present on my Telegram channel, which is StockPro Official. With this, I'll be signing off. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.